Big up Crosses TV.
So you hear Crosses TV there? You can't stay.
So me like feel me, not about independent and this and intimidate and me like a woman. Would you date someone who's an artist? You know, I never dated an artist before. I never dated an artist before, never. So I don't know why you even ask me that cold water. You like to be spoiled, yes. I like pump, I like spoil, I like kisses. I like go drive through just to buy orange juice, even if orange juice them yard. Yeah, I just understand. I said, baby, we can go over Popeyes, please. I want orange juice. Orange juice, and I'm yard like fridge now. But I just feel like if you spend that $200, I just feel like if you just kill some time to the drive-thru and spend that $200. You ever talk to an American with a Jamaican family background? I don't think so. I just something like feel, guys. I don't know about, I'm very soft. Me rough and depend whatever day I run up and I try on teaching about. When I come on to having a boot thing, me the softest thing, me a ball, it made it hurt me. But full of excitement, bad, full of excitement. Me come ball, baby me day, I had a rough day, and oh my god, I want to foot rub. Look at me always on rub down. What type of man you like? A man who knows how to love and treat a woman. And the man them like. I like man who know how to treat a woman and know how to love a woman. Kizzy, you get your body lipo. Yeah. We got your outfit love fashion. I like a man who know how to treat me. A man who know say sometimes he can come in and bring me like some chocolate, even if I the cheapest one. A man who knows he can surprise me with some roses and send me on a date with my friend them, like I did a date with my friend them. A man who knows like simple things like he just say, oh, I bought an earring for you. It's just simple stuff. Some man make things look difficult. Like I don't know how to treat woman. I mean, I like that. Some man make it look like a woman is this puzzle they can't figure out. I mean, love teddy bear. You want me to love you buy me some flowers and a teddy bear, like a big one, and we can't sleep with when you're not here. I love teddy bear. Are you an Aquarius? No, I'm actually Pisces. Have a good night too. Have a good night, bye. Crap, are you into girls? I don't think so, but girls look me all the time. I like your vibe. Thank you. They all know how to treat women. Do you know how to treat a man? Murder! Do you know how to treat a man? Honestly, me feel like me try. I'm very spontaneous, guys. Me buy roses. Me feel like people like put this stigma or this little thing on, you know, they can't buy roses for a man, but sometimes I care for them when them dead though. I not feel like when a man didn't forgive me a rose. Me buy a man roses. I'll buy him a sneaker. Me buy oil for massage him. Say, baby, this oil is just to massage you. And the simple thing, I'm gonna teach him something. It's the simplest things that matter for guys. Remember, say man not fussy, you know. Men are not fussy. So if you see like some little things with them like, I must him like polo shirt. You can buy man 1/6 polo shirt. You know, you can't do them because something. I ain't even have to tell him, just hang out in the closet. If we not live together, alright. I'm gonna tell you one next year for sure, guys. You appreciate him. If we not live together and him come with your house back and forth often, buy him some white shirts. Buy him some V-neck white shirt, like all 6 of them. Buy him like 1/6 underpants. Probably not really have much stuff there. Buy him some socks. Buy something put in a closet for him. And just like, you know, when him come, if he need to carry something, you just say, I'm gonna buy them a few though. Buy him one nice color one. Just small things. You don't have to go out and buy man no big jewelry or nothing. Do things that are like meaningful, make him know see you actually think about him. You know, you can say, baby, no, say they come over here last week and you never did have nothing over here. So I go to the store and I realize you never have nothing here, so I buy some stuff for you. Them there. So when you come in, I have a friend to say, oh, you have to go turn up because you have the underpants, or you have to go turn up because you have the marina. You don't do that. Yeah, take him on a date. Like you can call him one day and say, babe, dinner at Sunday. And to make it more spontaneous, you can buy the outfit for him wear. You must know your man's size. You must know him like he can wear size 32. I have a nice 32 jeans. I'm making me dance up, but not 2 grand jeans alone. If spend out like 18 grand buy a man a pants. And if I'm wear earring, gonna buy him one like an earring, you don't have to real guys. And I go up a Walmart, go up the Chinese shop them. Buy something for him. Someone act like a man for always give and him not supposed to get nothing. I'm not like that. Probably true me in love, me drunk in a love. Suppose another 18 grand. Well, do something else, do something smaller. Buy 1 shirt alone. Or buy 2 underpants alone. And someone if buy man them good underpants because I will not take them off, man. Someone if buy man them some polo underpants and them good brandy and them thing the man. Make him man them feel good. Man like nice underpants too, you know. Who if buy some things to the man them and stop it. A man does a gig every day and a man birthday and he want cake or not present in front of them. You know, so funny enough, about 5 years ago I bought my ex-boyfriend a cake. And like he did sleep. I mean light for the pocket. That time I not have a dollar. I tell you the truth. For sure that sometimes I just say thought will count. Him never rich. Me never rich. Me still not rich. Him still not rich up to this day. But you know, I buy 1 nice cake and I hide it from him. And in the morning when he wake up, I light it and I wake him up with the cake full of like the candles and I'm waking up and saying happy birthday and at first I see like him get super emotional. I never see him get that emotional like from the whole time of knowing him. I never see it. And I'm just say him said the first time in life somebody buy my cake. Sometimes I just is smart. I never had no money to buy him nothing. Like a sneakers or like a watch, but I buy my cake. And me just I say boy, if I invest starting money, I have a lot of money, I don't have money but I just want him to feel special. And I think they even when they go to one place go buy wings and fries and they did happy. Yeah, they did happy. So sometimes I just did a little thought when I have some man I realize say someone will not treat the man them good and then I wonder why the man them are going to trouble or why them are left when not treat them good. A lot of ladies think just by being by the man's side is enough. Men deserve love too. Not treat them good. Not treat the man good. And trying to do with a man long, don't feel like you can't put on one G-string going to bed again. No, treat them good, guys. That's why they are going to trouble. Because they start look out the road and look for excitement. No, treat them good. Don't if you treat the man them good, man. Man, them a touch on no one, nothing. They don't and they will not get born and wonder why and complain. They don't treat them good. Enough to tell the truth. If you ever see a man asleep, like him asleep up, you say to yourself, like, when I last time me and him make love, when I last time me and him do something special, when I last time I make him know same special or mean him about a lot of meaning to me, when I last time I don't treat them good. That's not a problem, you know, about it, what if a man can girl take them away. No, treat them good, yeah man. Yeah, if you have to take care of the man them and they feel special, guys. That's the real of the man. And treat him good. I want to kiss up on a man too, kiss up on a man face. I'm not too boring to wake a man into the man gone left and I'm gone right. Grab a man sometime and hug him up tight and say, babe, I love you, you know. We don't have to do it every day because I'll probably check it out for a long time, but just make him know. Make the man know, babe, I love you. You know, tell the man I love him, man. It's type of foolishness. Every night when you face tough when the man come from work, when you face tough. The man go work and come back when you face tough. The man now go and come home. Come man no like problem, man no stay like woman, you know. When you face tough, the man like always in a peace. He might come home in brain heavy, he want to stop at the bar, drink 2 shots of rum before he come home because he don't come home to no peace. So if you stop pick trouble with the man them, stop picking no trouble, man. And love up the man to make them feel special. You get me? Light up at the spark. Yeah. Look at them now that yeah, money. Them feel like things that matter are that matter. And someone don't feel like man want woman to look some man. A man might fantasize upon a girl with a certain body type or see her pass and you know some flash in their mind, but man don't really go for woman off her looks. Me honestly say if a man love you, just love you, no matter how you look. Cause I've seen it plenty of times. And a man love you, just love you, so that you don't need to be insecure. And if a man love you and you have an insecurity and him show you same love now, just stop being insecure. A man loving him, loving now. I see man love all woman without teeth. Me see man look woman 1 foot. Me see man look woman. When me look on them, me I wonder where you do with she. People in here, but all sometimes man fan of their personality. You know, say. True be told, enough of have a man now. We name plan to stay with ourselves, you know. Enough of a man never plan to stay. Enough of a man never look for the love. And then come when I realize that girl is ambitious, nice girl, man, and she educated. She know what she want. Have her head on her body. I saw like I really personality man go for who they feel or find comfort in. So you see, even if you did that girl on her face, and you know, say you lie down back her at night time on the bed and you feel warm, or she have a certain smell. Some woman have some could smell like some of them body splash that they might use. Some could small things man in me. Some man just miss all it y'all smell at night time name knows. Yes, so you know, that was the simple things, guys. First of all, I don't know what my yourself going on advice. I mean, of the man. So, we're gonna round that up, guys. We're gonna round that up, guys. We're gonna round that up because listen, me when I start telling about man now, want to do one. I mean, of the man. I'm not a man, you know. And you know what on? But they have one. Me and tell them say, guys, listen. But I have one more day and you run left me. The man, I'm not seeing back. I don't get back for them. I want them to see man in look at me one time walk past when he head straight. I can't imagine that. And some like us so? No, sir. When you get one, you know how to keep him. Listen, but not even if everything for your man. If you know one big kid, you can keep him alive. You can still treat him nice and on yourself, so do him nice. And if him left. I just say go for you know, see no him not near treat him right. I say go. And if you fret with yourself or fret for the man. Can't keep a man does exactly. You will still treat him good and if you left you just know that yourself say it's not on you. I just even left. Simple. Your heart not heavy, you don't feel now. We have boy gone. Remember the woman him now ball for the man again now. Hey Charlene, Spoiled Brat, what's up? Shauna, Molly, what's up? Thank you guys. Don't want to stop ball for man. Let me tell you something. You see, when you eat at probably like 24. I'm ball for the boy. Let's see a proper show. Ladies, if you have one with a man and see my act up and you know you treat him good, make him act through the door. You stop ball for man. The last time ball for a man, I probably been 17. People stop ball for a man now. Sometimes man like you barber them outside and the next man car. You get a damn play nowadays. They now play. They're out the road quick. It's easy for you to move on when you know you did the person who left you no wrong. So it's easy to move on a new man quick and fast. Not treating them affairs. Yeah, find a new man quick and fast, right? Even though a man, not a man, if you find a new man, your conscience clean or don't know how you find a new man quick. That's how you go. So find one. No, I love one. If I can find the last man, I look flat man in real life. I stop look man. The last man, I look flat my guys. Wicked. Shame me down. Stop look man now. Ladies, nobody look at man now. I'll do a lie. Just I'm call a man today. Murder! Guys, I know sometimes I say a lot of man, but listen. Terry enough over and Terry enough over, you know. I call a man today. This man I so like my attracted to him. I'm going to look a joke. I'm going to tell me like, oh, no, I take this. But come realize I love man and I chat so. I can't reason with right now. Terry there, a baby there. Well, I don't know why I can't chat to him. All the good girl them over here, all the top man them there, the nice man them watch me out. I saw a man them like, I'm really attracted to him. And then also though like, I realized that the boy like me know what him nasty. I don't know if he's afraid for something. Or what like you know you can't send to somebody like you but them nasty, you know. So I asked myself, some man there, I don't know for years and him never try to say nothing to me out of the way. So I wonder like what the issue. So I call him and I said to him, I said hello. So him say, hey, what's up? So I was like, we can go have a drink. When we can have a drink, because I really like and I like to get to know you. You're the man. You're the man to me. You really like me? I'm not gonna make you put my time away like a joker. Serious? Like my shame? I don't know how to take that. The man said, I'm not gonna make you put my time away because you're a joker. Guys, don't know how to take that, yeah, man. Thank you for the gifts, baby. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Oh, this wangy why. Thank you for the heart me. The man say, him not put, let me put him on the film way, because I'm a joker. Terry say, agree. Terry, you know, say, you know, if you come off of this lift up, man, they're gonna see, oh, no. Terry, may agree. Man, to me, a joke at Terry, but never hear that yet. Can't star. You know what that mean? I say, stop look, man, you know. Because I'm tell a man to me like him, they say a lie. So the Bible, them stop look, man, and now we're tired. We're tired. Yeah, I'm like him a shot, you know, but I like to get to know him outside of just a physical attraction. Because sometimes you like what guy look, but you get to know him like 2 years. So, sure, this not gonna work, yeah. Thank you for the gift. You know what I mean? Like, you get to know a guy and say, boy, this can't work. This just not gonna work, man. You know? So, I like feel like have a drink kind of like have a good chit chat. Man say, not in them cabinets. It not gonna work. Invite him out anyway, nope. I want a man a live stream and I would talk to me and love me and take me for them one. If him think me a joker, somebody on TikTok will take me. Me not text him back. As much man I watch me right now, they love me half and talk. But they afraid. I'm afraid of me. Them love me and them not talk, guys. The man them love me over here, them not talk. Them afraid. Beautiful as always. Thank you so much. The man ain't afraid to love me, them afraid of me. Them see me and them love me and them not talk. Want to, can't get you, and get you, no want to. You there? Terry, I want you. You never know, he could not be into girls. I don't think so. Oh, it's too early now. The most confident one, usually the one that make no sense. Not real life still. Hey original. So guys, what's new? I'm not talk. I'm just watch me. So much I'm not watch me on non type. What's going on? What's up guys? What's on sale? What's going on? What's new? Any questions? Coming soon, come on. Must have been a really love live. For long again more go later on. Thank you. Hey Tabia. Tight all what's up? She know what I'm doing. She into tight all what's up? Hey Melly, what's up, baby? What's up? Anybody pin that? Please take it down. It's getting annoying. Every time they come and ask the same question for no reason, them annoying. I don't know if it's a funny joke going around, but I don't get it, so I don't want it on my page. Actually, I wonder if you still go live sometime, Felicia. Like, I come live now, probably gonna catch you back till next week or 2 weeks, but because I have a lot of workload right now. Very soon, Shane. Very soon. I'm gonna send a question, guys. May I come off? You're gonna love me and not talk to me. Kizzy, do some collabs, man. I mean, collaborations will come in time. Hey, Angel. Thank you, Hyacinth. Thank you. Remember, so we don't really want to force rap a career, you know, because something you force rap a career in the work. We don't know if artists are force rap and it still not work for them. So we take with time and we are going to try and tell her for time. Or do you have kids, of course? And you have BBL. Well, I'll pay feet, my love. Go and pay for it.